Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to change your avatar in Reddit. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Reddit account using your provided username and password. You can tell from the far right location that I have a default avatar. This is what is showing on my profile. And if I navigate to my profile by clicking on the avatar icon, select View Profile, you can tell that this is the image that will showcase whenever I comment on any post within the community. So to change this to make it a very unique avatar, by navigating into my profile, I'll click on the plus icon next to the avatar image. This allows me to open the profile setting options. Now notice that on this profile or user setting options, I have account, profile, safety, and even chat and messaging. Now there are quite a number of options I can customize in here, but our point of interest is changing only the avatar. But of course, you can add your social, add a little bit about you, and even write a display name. Now, to add an avatar, navigate into the avatar and banner section down here, and you can tell I have two aspects of this. One is the avatar image and the banner image. The banner image is the one that appears at the very top section of your profile, while the avatar is more of a profile image. I will click to add an avatar image and browse from my computer an image of my choice. I'll push this so you can see as I do the selection. So scroll down in my computer to find an image of my choice. I think I like the monkey more, and I'll click upload. Notice that Reddit is now uploading my avatar. It will take a few minutes or seconds depending on how fast your internet is and how big the file you're uploading. Notice you can only do a PNG or a JPG format. You cannot do a PDF and some of the other formats you may be having. That's a point to note. I'll give you an added advantage by also bringing in the banner. I'll click on the banner option to launch my browser window in my computer. I'll scroll through the different images that I have and I'll pick one that I feel looks awesome. And again, it will take a few seconds depending on how fast your internet is, and it will show up. And now here we have, I have already uploaded my profile picture and my banner image. I will ignore the other settings for this video and just note that whenever you have uploaded, you don't have to click on save anywhere, but they save automatically once they upload. Once this is done, I'll go back into my profile and you can tell at the top right location, my avatar has changed. And there we go. That is how you change your avatar in Reddit. I believe this video has been very informative. If you liked it, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.